Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tirpan Study Center. We are going to do today doing a very important topic for a class 10 CBSE NCERT science chapter here, electricity MCQ question. There is a base on text which will be very important for the exam point of view, and it will be important for the competitive exam also. Let's see what is our topic today. Today we discussion most important chapter here, electricity, class 10 CBSE NCERT science and technology. There is a most important MCQ here. The MCQ arrive here. One which of the given resistance does not be depend. That's important question. One which of the given distance does not be depend. First here, length of conductor. B, area of cross section. C, temperature. D, density. That's important here. But first of all, come on, test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for this question. You know that you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear here. On which of the given distance does not be depend. Does not be depend is important. There is a first length of conductor, B, area of cross section, C, temperature, D, density. You know that the distance does not be depend only here. Option D is correct here. Option D, density. Density is a, there is distance does not be depend here. There is a density. And let's see next question. The next question, which of the given condition represent a more resistance at the constant temperature? Question is clear. Which of the given condition represent a more resistant as a constant temperature? The option here, the in red line, B, the yellow line, C, both are equal, D, cannot be a set. That's important. But first of all, check your knowledge, give you answer for this question. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. Question is clear here. Question is clear. Which of the given condition represent a more resistance at a constant temperature? First option is a red line. The first option is a red line. B is the yellow line. C, both are equal. D, cannot be said. You know that C here eliminate because both are equal, nothing is here condition. But B is a yellow line, that is not applicable for this question. The answer is A, the red line. Answer is A, red line. The red line is a given condition present a more resistance constant at a temperature. That's important. And let's see next question. The next question, a current of 1 ampere is drawn by the filament on electrical bulb. The number of electrons passing through a cross section of filament in a 6 seconds would be a roughly. You know that is a question is clear. A current of 1 ampere is drawn by the filament on electrical bulb. The number of electrons passing through a cross section of the filament is a 60 seconds. Would be a roughly. Answer is option here 1020. B option is a 1060. C is a 1018 and D 1023. That is important question here. But you first of all check your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see. Check the answer for this question here. You know that you question understand? A current of 1 ampere is drawn by a filament on an electrical bulb. Number of electrons passing through the cross section of the filament is a 16 seconds would be a roughly. You know that is roughly here. The answer is mostly important. Is answer is A, 1020. 1020 the answer for this question. That's important here. The next question here, if the current flowing through a fixed resistor is the heavier there is a heat produced in it will be become. We know that this question is clear. If the current flow through a fixed resistor is the heavier that a heat produced in it will be become. There is a heat is a double, B half, C 1/4, D 4 time. That's important option. But first of all, note your answer for a notebook. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question understand? The question is clear. If the current flowing through a fixed resistor is heavier, the heat produced in it will be become. The option is a double, B is a half, C is a 1/4, and D 4 time. That's important. You know that the current flow through the fixed resistor, the heat produced here become here, that is a 1/4. 1/4, it means to answer C. There is a not a doublet, not a half. There is a heat here, 1/4. It means to C option is correct here. That's important. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen, a question here, a fuse wire repeatedly get a burn when used with a good heater. It's advised to use a fuse wire of. There is option here, more length, B less radius, C less length, D more radius. You know that this question is very interesting for the exam view here. A fuse wire repeatedly get a burn. Repeatedly get a burn when used with a good heater. It is advised to use a fuse wire off. You know that you give an answer and write the answer for your notebook. I give you few seconds for you because you are important. Okay? You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. You question understand? Question is clear here. A fuse wire repeatedly gets burned when used with a good heater. It is advised to use a fuse wire of more than length, not a more than length. Less than radius, not a less than radius. C, less length. The less length is nothing here. But answer is important is D, more radius. Because there is important. There is not a burn because more radius. Radius is important for there is a fuse. There is not a burn here easily because the heater use there is a fuse burn immediately. But use a more radius. There is advice to use to fuse wire because more radius is not a burn suddenly. That's important for the exam view of this question here. Let's see next question here. The next question on your screen, the question here, keeping the potential difference constant, the distance of a circuit is doubled. The current will be become. You know that question is clear. Keeping the potential difference constant. Potential difference is here constant. The resistance of circuit is doubled. Resistance of circuit is a doublet. The current will be become A double, B half, C 1/4, D 4th time. That's important here. But first of all, give you answer for this question and write the right answer for your notebook. Okay? I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear here. Keeping the potential difference constant. The potential difference here constant. The resistance of circuit is doublet. The current will be become. The current will be doubled 1/4, 4th time. You be half. You know that the answer is clear here. The circuit is doublet. Circuit is doublet. But here current become will be half. That's important. It means to option B is correct. That's important. The circuit is a doublet. The current will be half. There is a half. It means to B option is correct here. Let's see Next question. Next question on your screen. The question here, the other name of potential difference is. Question is clear. The other name of potential difference is A. Amperiphasis, B. Voltage, C. Voltage, D. Potential energy. You know that the question is clear and very easy. Question the other name of potential difference. But first of all, check your knowledge. I give you few seconds. Write the correct answer of your notebook. You know that you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question is clear. The other name of potential difference is amperiphasis, wattage, voltage, potential energy. The answer is clear. Answer is clear. The other name of potential difference is voltage. The potential difference, the other name is a voltage. It means to the option C is correct. It goes based to the C, voltage. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. The question here, the heat produced by a passing on electric current through a fixed resistor is proportional to the square of. Question is clear. The heat produced by passing on electrical current through a fixed resistor is proportional to the square of. Option A, magnitude of resistance of the resistor, B, temperature of the resistor, C, magnitude of current, and D, time from which the current is passed. That's important option, but first of all, write the correct answer for your notebook because you are most important for here. You know that you must have a thought of your answer and write also. Let's see what is the answer for this question. Question understand? Question is clear. The heat produced by passing on electrical current. You know that electrical current pass, the already is a heat generated. That's a simple way here. And fixed resistance is a proportion to the square of. Question is clear. Question is clear. Option magnitude A, magnitude of resistance of resistor. That's nothing here because magnitude of resistor, that's nothing here. Temperature of the resistor, temperature resistor, nothing here. Magnitude of current, you know that magnitude of current, that's the right answer because there is a passing electrical current through the fixed resistor is proportional to the square of magnitude of current. It means the option C is correct here. Option C, magnitude of the current, for the right answer for this question here. Next question on your screen. The question here, which of the given statement is true regarding to the ammeter and voltage? You know that the question is clear here. Which of the given statement is true regarding ammeter and voltmeter? Option A, ammeter is connected in a series with the required device voltage in parallel. That's important here. Both ammeter and voltmeter are connected in a series with the required device. The voltmeter is connected in a series with the device, ammeter is a parallel. They can be connected in a way. You know that they can be connected in any way. That is the option is totally wrong because they can be connected in any way. It's nothing this answer here. No, that's nothing. You know that you understand the ammeter and voltmeter, this is connected to only to the series here. Only to series. That's important here. But there is a series, this is only ask for here three options A, B, C. It means to D here eliminate. You know that only three options for here. You give an answer for correct and write out your notebook firstly. You must have write the answer for your notebook. Let's see what is the answer for this question. You know that is a question is clear. Which of the given statements is true regarding to the ammeter and voltmeter? I already rejected here. They can be connected in any way. This is the wrong answer. It is totally is D here wrong. But is the option is a 3 reminding here. C option asking here, the voltmeter is connected in a series with the device. Ammeter is a parallel. That is ammeter is a parallel. Ammeter is nothing is a parallel here. You know that the C option is wrong. B option asking here, both ammeter and voltmeter are connected in a series with the required device. Is it possible? Impossible here there. Ammeter and voltmeter are connected in a series with the required device. Both are connected. There is a series. That's nothing answer is correct here. It means the remaining A option is here. Ammeter ask here. Ammeter is connected in a series with the required device. You know that required device. That's important. And voltmeter is a parallel. That's important answer here. You know that. Remind here. Ammeter is connected in a series and voltmeter is connected to the parallel. That's important and that's the right answer for the exam view here. It means to the option A is correct here. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe and share the video as a much as a possible. Do not think, subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.